Operation Hurricane was a 24-hour bombing operation to demonstrate to the enemy and Germany generally the overwhelming superiority of the Allied air forces in this theater, and cause mass panic and disorganization in the Ruhr, disrupt frontline communications and demonstrate the futility of resistance. During the day of the 14th of October 1944, 957 RAF Bomber Command aircraft dropped 3,574 long tons of high explosive and 820 long tons of incendiaries on Duisburg. Also during the day, USAAF VIII Bomber Command Mission 677 made PFF attacks on Cologne marshaling yards at Gereon, Gremberg, and Eifelter, as well as Euskirchen. A second RAF raid on Duisburg during the night of 14-15 October in two waves about 2 hours apart dropped a further 4,040 tons of high explosive and 500 tons of incendiaries. In some cases RAF crews flew both the daylight and nighttime raids, a total of nearly 11 hours flying time in 24 hours. During the same night the RAF also bombed Brunswick, destroying the town center. Nearly 50 Mosquitoes carried out nuisance raids and 132 aircraft from No. 100 Group targeted German night fighter operations. In 24 hours, RAF Bomber Command had flown 2,589 sorties, losing 24 aircraft, dropping approximately 10,050 long tons of bombs and killing over 2,500 civilians in Duisburg alone.